Okay guys, I'm gonna show you today how to fix the problem with this vacuum cleaner. It's flashing red and white and it's not charging. So I already took the battery pack out. So the problem is the battery voltage is too low, so we have to jump start them. To do this we need a car charger or bike charger, multimeter. So let's see what's the voltage is. So for example, this one reads 3.08 volt, which is not too bad. That one 2.27, but there are some with the lower voltage, 0.99. So let's charge them up. So positive, negative. There's two cables from this charger. Just put them together and wait maybe a few seconds. It's a quick charge now, 14 volt. So let's see what's happened. Okay, see the voltage already gone up. Okay, let's put it back in vacuum. Let's see if it will be good enough. Okay, plug these wires. And let's see if it charges. Yeah, here we go. Start from 25% and will be going up. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up.